What's the meaning of arithmetical? Arithmetical. Arithmetical.
Arithmetical. Arithmetical. The term arithmetical refers to the principles and operations of arithmetic, which is the branch of mathematics that deals with numbers and their manipulation using basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It involves the study of numerical values, their relationships, and properties. It is an essential skill in everyday life, from calculating grocery bills to solving complex problems in science and engineering. Being proficient in arithmetical operations provides a foundation for higher mathematics, including algebra, calculus, and statistics. Overall, arithmetical skills are essential for success in many aspects of life.